Hey there. Today we're diving into two essential tools in network security, IDS and IPS. What do they do and how are they different? First up, IDS. IDS stands for Intrusion Detection System. Imagine your network as a bustling city, and IDS is the surveillance camera keeping an eye on traffic. It monitors all the network activity, looking for anything suspicious. When it spots something off, it sends an alert to the network administrator. It's like a security camera. It sees and reports but doesn't stop the intruder. Now let's talk about IPS. IPS stands for Intrusion Prevention System. This system goes a step further. Picture a vigilant security guard stationed in your network city. IPS doesn't just watch, it takes action. When it detects malicious traffic, it blocks or prevents it in real time. So, while IDS observes, IPS intervenes. Here's the key difference. IDS observes and alerts. IPS takes action to block threats. IDS is passive like a camera, while IPS is active and works in line to protect your network, much like a security guard. So, when should you use each? IDS is great for monitoring and alerting administrators about potential threats. It's useful for keeping an eye on suspicious activity without interfering with network traffic. On the other hand, IPS is essential for real-time threat prevention. It actively blocks malicious traffic, providing an additional layer of security. Together, IDS and IPS can create a robust defense for your network. IDS will alert you to suspicious activities, while IPS will step in to block threats as they happen. This combination ensures your network is both monitored and protected. And that's the difference between IDS and IPS. Remember, in the world of network security, knowledge is power. A secure network is a safer business. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Let's recap what we've learned today. IDS, or Intrusion Detection System, is like a vigilant observer. It keeps an eye on your network looking for any signs of trouble. When it detects something unusual, it sends an alert to the network administrator, who can then take action. However, IDS itself does not take any action to stop the threat. It simply observes and reports. On the other hand, IPS, or Intrusion Prevention System, is more proactive. It not only detects malicious activity but also takes steps to block or prevent it in real time. Think of IPS as a security guard who not only spots the intruder but also stops them from causing harm. So, while IDS is great for monitoring and alerting, IPS is essential for real-time protection. Together, they provide a comprehensive security solution for your network. By combining the strengths of both IDS and IPS, you can ensure that your network is both monitored and protected against threats. So, whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, implementing both IDS and IPS can significantly enhance your network security. Stay informed, stay secure, and remember, in the world of cybersecurity, vigilance is key. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay safe out there.